Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by one of my, he is fabulous. I can't say fabulous, but I'm gonna say amazing YouTube family members. And he is none other than Zane over at Home with Zane. Hello, Zane. He is hosting the My Tray display collaboration. This is an open invite to anyone who wanted to join in on the fun, and the rules were very simple. You needed to use a tray or a tray-like item, and you also needed to use a vase as well as a candle, and the rest was free form. You can have at it. So I'm not going to ramble on. I'm just going to jump right in, and I'm going to share with you the pieces that I am going to use on my tray, and I'm going to use it on my kitchen island. So stay tuned. Now guys, this is the tray that I will be using. It is a square tray. It's fairly large. And by the way, I'm using things that I already have. I opted not to go out and purchase anything. So I'm going to use this. My candle will be this Bath and Body Works candle. And I'm going to use this rather large pitcher as a vase. I have used this piece in my home quite a few times and I love it. So now we're going to start decorating our items or displaying our items on the tray. Now guys, I am going to place this pedestal right here. This pedestal is that Target One Spot pedestal, basic white. And I'm also going to place some dishes here, red dishes. My color scheme in my kitchen is red and white mostly, with touches of silver. So I'm going to keep that theme going here. I'm going to place my candle front and center for easy lighting of it. And I'm going to place my towel right up under it. Now my pitcher will go over here like so. And now I'm going to play with the top, fill in my vase. Now I'm going to fill in the top portion of my pitcher or my vase with some florals. I'm going to be extra careful here that my florals will not hit this candle here. Inserting some hydrangeas. And now to add my red in, I'm going to take my favorite flower, which is a red rose, to add some red. in here. And don't forget about the back, because it can be viewed from all sides. You want all the beauty from all angles. And there you have it, my tray, beautifully displayed on my island. I'm loving that. Loving this look. And it is a focal point as you come into my kitchen. Well guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much, Zane, for hosting this great collab. I had fun participating in it. Gave me the opportunity to really think outside the box on this and do something very pretty for my island. There will be a playlist Zane himself will be creating once it is available. If he has a link, I will copy that link and place it in my description box as well for your enjoyment, to get to view all of the fabulous participants who are participating in this collab. You are in for a treat and lots of inspiration. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of this family here, the Diva family, by just simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you push that subscribe button, also click that notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload, because I do upload videos every week. I can also be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. See you real soon.